Hello, this is Matthew with Circulation at the St. Clair Shores Public Library. You may have heard that our public areas are undergoing a major renovation. So that means that you can't come in to visit or study or use our internet stations, but we are still here for you. We're offering extensive curbside services, and that means that you can still browse our catalog from home, order items. Librarians are here to answer reference questions or to place items on hold for you. And the idea is that once you receive a hold notice, come to our curbside parking spots. We have 6 of them, and they're nicely designated by orange cones and numbers. Call us at our main line, 586-771-9020. You'll be able to speak to circulation staff. Make sure to have your library card or your license handy. They'll ask you for that number. They'll open your account, check out your items, and then they'll meet you at your car. We can also accept returns at this time from your curbside spot. We're also keeping our book drop open as long as possible, 24 hours a day, as long as construction will allow for it. We're also offering a lot of other services too. Librarians can answer reference questions. They can help out with questions about your accounts. If you have fines or fees, you can still take care of them either through the online catalog or with staff at Curbside. We're offering mobile printing as well, so feel free to keep sending it through our website. It's 15 cents per page, just black and white, and we'll be able to accept your payments at Curbside and bring your document out to you. If you have copies that you need made, feel free to still come to our Curbside spot. We'll ask you for the hard document or your flash drive, and then we can make those copies for you. We'll be continuing to issue library cards to patrons who live in St. Clair Shores or own property in St. Clair Shores. You can drive up to one of our curbside spots. Make sure to have your license or state ID ready with that St. Clair Shores address, and we'll be able to bring out an application for you to finish and issue you a library card, which will be usable at St. Clair Shores or one of our many fine cooperative family of libraries. If you have any questions or concerns about Curbside, give us a call also or stop by, and we'll be able to help out.